London. A city steeped in history, buzzing with energy and brimming with iconic sights. What better way to experience its grandeur than from the top of a bright red double-decker bus? Imagine yourself, perched high above the bustling streets, the cool breeze tousling your hair, as London unfolds before your very eyes. This is no ordinary bus ride. It's a front-row seat to history, culture, and the quintessential British spirit. The red double-decker bus is as synonymous with London as Big Ben or Buckingham Palace. It's a symbol of the city, instantly recognizable and undeniably charming. As we hop aboard, we're not just passengers, we're time travelers, adventurers, and eager explorers ready to soak up the sights and sounds of this incredible city. The moment you step onto that open-top deck, a wave of excitement washes over you. The energy of the city is palpable, the air buzzing with anticipation. Below, the streets teem with black cabs, cyclists, and pedestrians, all moving to the rhythm of London. From our elevated vantage point, we have a unique perspective on this sprawling metropolis. We can peek into hidden courtyards, admire architectural marvels, and watch as the city's vibrant tapestry unfolds. The engine rumbles to life and we pull away from the curb, our journey beginning. Excitement hangs in the air, a tangible feeling shared by everyone on board. Tourists from all corners of the globe, their cameras at the ready, mingle with Londoners going about their day. The bus weaves its way through the city streets, a red beacon against the backdrop of historic buildings and modern skyscrapers. Each turn reveals a new vista, a new glimpse into the heart of London. The anticipation builds with every passing moment. As we rumble over the cobblestone streets, the past seems to whisper to us. We're traveling through centuries of history, each building, each street corner holding stories waiting to be discovered. The Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, Shakespeare's Globe, these legendary landmarks beckon us closer. Our adventure is about to begin. Buckle up, hold on tight, and get ready to experience London like never before. Finally, we reach the front of the queue, our excitement bubbling over. It's time to board the legendary double-decker and claim our spot. We present our tickets, a flash of red and blue in the sunshine, and climb the stairs. The steps seem steeper than a normal bus, adding to the sense of adventure. We hold onto the railing, eager to reach the top and see what awaits us. Each step upward is a step closer to a bird's-eye view of London. Reaching the top deck, we're greeted by a chorus of oohs and ahs as fellow passengers take in the panoramic views. The air up here feels different, fresher, livelier, as if infused with the city's energy. We shuffle down the aisle, past rows of eager faces, searching for the perfect spot. Should we grab a seat at the very front for unobstructed views, or perch near the back for a wider perspective? Decisions, decisions. A mix of languages swirls around us. Japanese, Spanish, French, Italian. A reminder that London is a global crossroads. Families with excited children, couples whispering secrets, and solo travelers lost in guidebooks share the top deck. We settle into our seats, a wave of contentment washing over us. Looking around, we see a tapestry of humanity, each person with their own story, drawn together by the allure of London. A young couple snaps selfies with Big Ben in the background, their smiles as bright as the red bus itself. An elderly gentleman points out landmarks to his grandson, sharing stories of London past. We're all part of this shared experience, united by our curiosity and wonder. The bus engine thrums beneath us, a comforting rhythm amidst the urban symphony. The city unfolds outside our window, a whirlwind of activity and charm. We're ready, London. Show us what you've got. As we pull away from the curb, the iconic red telephone booths and black cabs whiz past. It's like stepping into a postcard, each familiar sight confirming that we're truly in London. The Houses of Parliament, with their distinctive Gothic architecture, rise majestically in the distance. Big Ben, a symbol of London's enduring spirit, stands tall, its clock face a beacon against the sky. Even from afar, these landmarks evoke a sense of history and grandeur. We crane our necks, trying to take it all in, the bustling streets, the grand architecture, the vibrant energy that pulsates through every corner of this city. It's overwhelming and exhilarating, like trying to drink from a fire hose of sights and sounds. A collective gasp ripples through the bus as Buckingham Palace comes into view. The iconic gates, adorned with gold leaf, gleam in the afternoon sun. We imagine the Queen waving from the balcony, a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The open-top deck is the best seat in the house. The wind whips through our hair, carrying with it the scent of rain and a hint of fish and chips from a nearby pub. We breathe it all in, the essence of London filling our senses. The city stretches out before us, a sprawling metropolis of history, culture, and modernity. We can see for miles in every direction, from the London Eye's Ferris wheel to the Shard's gleaming spire, a testament to London's past and present. The bus rumbles over Westminster Bridge, offering breathtaking views of the River Thames. Swans glide gracefully on the water, their white feathers a stark contrast to the blue expanse. The city's reflections shimmer on the surface, creating an impressionist painting come to life. We're not just observing London, we're immersed in it. The city's energy is contagious, its spirit infectious. With every passing moment, we fall deeper under its spell, eager to uncover its secrets and experience all it has to offer. The bus veers away from the river, plunging us into narrow, winding streets. The buildings seem to close in, their weathered brick facades whispering tales of centuries past. We're headed for the Tower of London, a fortress that has witnessed some of England's most dramatic moments. As the tower comes into view, a hush falls over the bus. Its imposing stone walls, once a symbol of royal power and a dreaded prison, now stand as a testament to London's enduring history. We can almost hear the clash of swords, the whispers of prisoners, the echoes of a bygone era. The audio guide crackles to life, regaling us with tales of kings and queens, traitors and prisoners. We imagine Anne Boleyn pacing these grounds, her fate sealed. We envision William the Conqueror surveying his newly conquered lands from the tower's ramparts. The bus pauses briefly, allowing us to fully absorb the tower's grandeur. It's a chilling yet captivating sight, a reminder of the power struggles and human dramas that have shaped this city. We snap a few photos, knowing they can't possibly capture the weight of history contained within those ancient walls. Section 2, Whispers of Royalty, Buckingham Palace and Changing of the Guard. Back on the open road, the bus navigates its way through the heart of London. We pass elegant squares lined with stately homes, their wrought iron gates guarding secrets of a bygone era. The air hums with the city's energy, a blend of car horns, distant sirens, and the murmur of countless conversations. Suddenly, a sea of tourists comes into view, their cameras flashing in unison. We've arrived at Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the monarch and a symbol of British tradition. The palace facade, bathed in golden light, exudes an air of regal elegance. We're just in time to catch a glimpse of the changing of the guard ceremony. The iconic red-coated guards, their bearskin hats perched atop their heads, march in perfect formation, their movements a mesmerizing display of precision and pageantry. The crowd erupts in applause as the ceremony concludes. We can't help but smile, caught up in the spectacle and the sense of occasion. Even if just for a moment we've had a brush with royalty, a taste of the pomp and circumstance that defines this city. Big Ben's timelessness, a London icon, marks the moment. Our double-decker chariot continues its journey past bustling Trafalgar Square with its iconic lion statues, and then there it is, Big Ben, or rather, Elizabeth Tower, as it's officially known. As if on cue, the clock strikes the hour, its deep chimes echoing across the city, a symbol of London's unwavering presence, a profound appreciation for this iconic landmark. Section 4, across Tower Bridge, glimpsing London's maritime legacy. The bus rumbles onward, its engine a comforting hum amidst the symphony of city sounds. We cross the River Thames via the iconic Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is a marvel of Victorian engineering, its bascules rising to allow ships passage. As we ascend, the views are breathtaking. The Thames stretches out, reflecting the city's skyline. We spot St. Paul's Cathedral, a testament to London's resilience. Below, boats ply the river, a reminder of London's maritime history. The bus descends, and we find ourselves on the south side of the Thames. We carry with us the indelible images of London's iconic landmarks. Our trusty red bus rumbles on, leaving the grand landmarks behind as we delve into the heart of London's vibrant cultural scene. First stop, Covent Garden. This bustling district, once a fruit and vegetable market, now bursts with street performers, charming boutiques, and a delightful touch of whimsy. As we step off the bus, the lively sounds of Covent Garden envelop us. A talented musician serenades the crowd with a soulful saxophone melody, while a mime's silent comedy act draws laughter from passers-by. The air buzzes with a creative energy, a blend of artistry and urban excitement. We wander through the covered market, its glass roof casting a warm glow on the stalls below. Fresh flowers spill from every corner, their vibrant colors and intoxicating scents a feast for the senses. We can't resist stopping to admire the intricate bouquets, each one a work of art. Covent Garden is a shopper's paradise with its eclectic mix of boutiques, craft stalls, and flagship stores. From handmade jewelry to vintage clothing, there's something here to tempt every taste and budget. We browse the shops, soaking up the lively atmosphere and picking up a few unique souvenirs along the way. Back on the bus, we're whisked away to our next destination, Soho. This legendary district, once notorious for its red light district, has reinvented itself as London's beating heart of cool. Soho pulsates with a unique blend of grit and glamour, a place where creativity knows no bounds. The streets of Soho are a sensory overload, a fusion of trendy restaurants, independent record stores, and cutting-edge fashion boutiques. The aroma of international cuisine fills the air, from spicy Thai curries to hearty Italian pasta dishes. We're spoiled for choice, our stomachs rumbling with anticipation. As evening descends, Soho transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. Theaters light up, their marquees announcing the latest West End productions. Pubs spill out onto the sidewalks, their laughter and lively chatter adding to the electric atmosphere. We make a mental note to return later for a taste of Soho's legendary after-dark scene. Soho is a district that defies definition, a melting pot of cultures, styles, and experiences. It's a place where you can find anything you're looking for, and where you're sure to stumble upon something unexpected around every corner. We leave Soho feeling energized and inspired, our senses buzzing with the district's infectious energy. Next stop on our cultural adventure, Camden Market, a haven for alternative fashion, vintage finds, and London's rebellious spirit. Greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors, smells, and sounds, unique clothing, handmade jewelry, and quirky home decor. From punk rock accessories to vintage band tees, Camden Market is a treasure trove. The aroma of street food fills the air, tempting us with flavors from around the globe. Serenaded by the sounds of buskers, Camden Market pulsates with youthful energy and self-expression. Our double-decker adventure isn't just about the big-name attractions. It's also about discovering hidden gems that give London its unique character. We hop off the bus at random stops, following our curiosity down side streets and alleyways. We stumble upon charming cafes tucked away in quiet corners, their windows filled with tempting pastries. And of course, no trip to London would be complete without a visit to a traditional pub. We seek out pubs with history etched into their walls, their dark wood interiors whispering tales of centuries past. We sip on pints of local ale, savoring the flavors and soaking up the convivial atmosphere. These local experiences, these unexpected encounters, bring our London adventure to life. As our trusty red chariot completes its loop, pulling back into the bustling hub where our journey began, a wave of contentment washes over us. We disembark, our legs a bit wobbly from the day's adventures, but our spirits soaring. London, in all its sprawling glory, has left an indelible mark on our souls. Looking back, we realize that the double-decker bus wasn't just a mode of transportation, it was our window to the soul of London. From our perch above the city streets, we witnessed the grandeur of history, the pulse of modern life, and the vibrant tapestry of cultures that make London so unique. We recall the awe-inspiring sight of Buckingham Palace, the imposing presence of the Tower of London, the timeless elegance of Big Ben. But we also cherish the memories of Covent Garden's street performers, Soho's eclectic energy, and Camden Market's offbeat charm. It's the blend of iconic landmarks and hidden gems that makes London such a captivating destination. As we bid farewell to our red companion, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for this extraordinary city. We've only scratched the surface of all that London has to offer, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. The beauty of London is that it's a city of endless discovery. No matter how many times you visit, there's always something new to see, something unexpected to experience. Every neighborhood has its own distinct personality, every street corner a potential adventure waiting to unfold. Whether you're drawn to the city's rich history, its vibrant arts and culture scene, or its eclectic mix of neighborhoods, London has something to offer everyone. So the next time you find yourself in this extraordinary city, hop aboard a double-decker bus and let it be your guide. Embrace the freedom of hopping on and off, of getting lost in the maze of streets, of stumbling upon hidden gems and local haunts. Talk to the locals, savor the flavors of the city's diverse culinary scene, and let the spirit of London captivate your senses. London is calling, inviting you to explore its every nook and cranny, to uncover its secrets, and to create your own unforgettable memories. So answer the call, hop aboard, and let the adventure begin.